In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Play gift card. Need more information 2025. Full guide. If you're getting the need more information message when redeeming a Google Play gift card, it usually means Google systems want to confirm that the account, location, and payment activity look legitimate. We'll walk through the essential fixes in a logical order so you can clear the flag and redeem your card successfully. First, try the basic fixes. Make sure you have a strong, stable internet connection and turn off any VPN or proxy that might make your location look inconsistent. Set your device's date and time to automatic. Update the Google Play Store and Google Play services to the latest version. Then, clear cache for both of those apps in your device settings, reopen the Play Store, and restart your device. If your gift card is region locked, ensure your Google Play country matches the country where the card was purchased. Next, address the Need More Information verification prompt directly. Open the Play Store, tap your profile icon, and go to Payments and Subscriptions. If you see a verification banner, follow it to confirm your name, address, and, if requested, phone number. Enter real, consistent information that matches your usual billing details. Avoid redeeming the code repeatedly while verification is pending. Too many attempts can extend the review. After updating info, give it a little time, then try redeeming again. To avoid suspicion going forward, add or update a valid payment method that matches your country and address. Make sure the billing name and address on your card or account line up with what you entered in Google. Keep activity normal. Don't redeem multiple cards back to back, and avoid frequent changes to your account details. A small ordinary purchase can help establish healthy account history before redeeming another gift card. If Google asks you to submit details via a form, complete it carefully. Provide accurate account information and clear proof of purchase like a store receipt or order confirmation, exactly as the form requests. Share only what the official Google form asks for, and never post codes or receipts publicly. Double check that you're on a legitimate Google page before submitting. If it still isn't working, contact Google support through the Play Store's help and feedback section. Use the Contact Us option to start a chat or request a callback where available. Briefly explain the error, note what you've already tried, and attach any requested documentation. Keep your case number handy and allow time for review. Follow these steps patiently, and you should be able to resolve the verification roadblock and redeem your gift card successfully.